Hey Zerner, let's work with division. I have 21 crackers and I want to give them to 7 friends to share equally. I'll start by placing 1 cracker for each friend, like this. Now let's represent this in our notes. Today we're working on Mission 1, Lesson 11. Let's draw an array to match this problem. I'll draw circles to represent the crackers. I started by placing 1 cracker for each of my 7 friends, so I'll draw 7 circles like this. Your turn. Make sure to leave some room above the circles so we can add labels later. I'll keep passing out crackers in each of the 7 groups until I've passed out 21 total crackers. I have 21 crackers divided into 7 equal groups. Now let's show this in our notes. Complete the array to show 21 crackers in 7 equal groups. Make sure to leave room below your array so we can add labels later. Each circle represents 1 cracker. I'll keep drawing 1 circle in each of the 7 columns until I've drawn all 21 circles. Check your work. It's kind of hard to see our groups. Let's do something new to our array to help us solve. I'll draw a rectangle around the array, like this. Your turn. I'll draw a bracket below the rectangle. What is the total number of crackers? Write that here. There are 21 total crackers. The question asks, how many crackers will each friend get? We can draw lines between each column to show the 7 groups. These 7 groups represent 7 friends. I'll label 7 friends here. Your turn. We want to find out how many crackers each friend will get. That's our unknown, the size of each group. I'll draw a bracket and label that here with a question mark. Your turn. By adding lines and labels to our array, we made a tape diagram. Each boxed column shows 1 unit and represents 1 friend. We labeled the tape diagram with all of the known and unknown information to help us understand the problem. Now, let's write 2 equations that represent this tape diagram. I'll get you started. 7 friends times the number of crackers for each friend equals 21 total crackers. I left this factor blank because it's our unknown. You try. Now, use the tape diagram to write a division equation that shows the unknown. 21 total crackers divided between 7 friends equals our unknown. The unknown in each equation represents the number of crackers each friend will get. Solve for the unknown in each equation. Use the tape diagram to help. Then, complete the answer sentence. We can see in our tape diagram that there are 3 circles in each group. So 7 times 3 equals 21, and 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Each friend will get 3 crackers. Check your work. Ready for another problem? I want to distribute 18 tangerines equally into 6 bowls. How many tangerines will be in each bowl? First, draw an array to represent 18 tangerines equally divided between 6 bowls. Let's create a tape diagram from this array. I'll draw a rectangle around the tangerines like this. This time, I'll label the whole 18 tangerines here. I'll draw lines between each column to show the groups. Each boxed column represents one unit or one bowl. There are 6 bowls. I'll write that here. We're trying to find how many tangerines are in each bowl, so that's our unknown. Write a multiplication and division equation to solve.
Six groups times our unknown, the number of tangerines in each bowl, equals 18 total tangerines. And 18 total tangerines divided into 6 groups equals our unknown. There are 3 tangerines in each group, so that's our unknown.
That's right. Complete the answer sentence.
There are 3 tangerines in each bowl.
Awesome. One more problem. Kayla saves $2 each week to buy a toy car. The car costs $16. How many weeks will it take her to save enough to buy the toy car? Create an array to represent this problem. Use a disk to represent each dollar. This array represents our problem. 2 disks in each column for the $2 each week that Kayla saves, and 16 total dollars. Let's create a tape diagram from our array. I'll draw a rectangle around the whole like this. Keep going. Which tape diagram is partitioned so that there are $2 in each unit? We can partition the tape diagram like this. $2 in each unit. Now label the tape diagram to represent the problem.
This tape diagram represents the problem. The total cost is $16. Each unit represents 1 week and has a value of $2 each week. The number of weeks is our unknown.
Yes. Let's use a division equation to solve. $16 divided into groups of 2 equals how many weeks?
There are 8 groups in our tape diagram, so 16 divided by 2 equals 8.
Bingo. Complete the answer sentence.
It will take Kayla 8 weeks to save enough money for the toy car.
Exactly. Great work today, Zerner. Ready for more? Keep practicing in the Tower of Power.